Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at email templates in CRM 2011. I'm going to be using the web version to show you email templates, but I can confirm it's exactly the same process in the Outlook version. Now, to create an email template, there's actually two types you can create: a personal email template or an organizational email template. To create a personal email template, you would go to File, Options, and within the Option tab, there's actually a there's actually a tab that says email templates, and from within there you will go ahead and click on new. And when you do this, you're creating personal email templates in CRM. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create the organizational mailmer template. It's the same concept when we click on new, but it's done from a different area of CRM. It's actually done from the settings area. So I'm going to go ahead and click on settings, and then I'm going to go ahead and select templates and then email templates, and I'm going to go ahead and click on new. Now, the first thing the system asks for is what type of template would you like to create. Be specific. So if you're creating an email template for contact, select contact. If you're creating an email template for lead, select lead. It's very important that you select the appropriate template type, because it means that if you want to use the email template in contact, you must select contact as the template type. So I'm going to go ahead and select contact, because that's what we're going to do today. We're going to create an email template for contacts. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And what we're going to do is we're going to create an email template to inform trainees of an upcoming training event that I'm hosting. So the first thing the system asks for is a title. Try and be as descriptive as possible. So I'm going to say upcoming training webinar for creating email templates, and let's just book that in for the 1st of December. I've got a description area here where I can put a little more description about this particular email template. And once we've done that, we actually literally go straight into the email. So subject is a business required field, and I'm gonna put in here hello. What I want to do is actually want to use data field. So I want to say hello first name. This is an invitation to a training webinar. So I've selected hello, and the next thing I want to do is I want to insert a data field. Now a data field, if I was to select first name as a data field, what that means is if you were to select a contact, the system would search and see whatever data's in the first name data field and actually import that into the email template. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'm just going to say hello, click on insert and update, and when I do, it's going to bring up the data field values box. I'm going to go ahead and select add, and by default the system will show you the record type for users. I'm going to change that to contact, and when I do, the system will now bring up every single field that belongs to the contact entity. So I'm going to select first name, OK, and OK again. And you'll see now it says hello contact first name. I'm just going to put in here actually hello contact first name. Here is your invitation, couple of exclamation marks, and then I'll go into the body of the email. So I'll go there once again. I'm going to say there first name. So I'm going to click on insert and update, go ahead and select add, go to my contacts, and I'm going to be using the data field for first name again. So I'm going to say dear first name, you are invited to attend a training webinar on the 1st of December 2012. It is a free session. please respond if you would like to attend. The point of the email template is it allows you to add these data fields in here. I could add, if I click on insert and update, I could add as many data fields as I like. I could just go ahead and add those in there. The great thing also about email templates is a new functionality in 2011, which I've shown in another training video. You could actually pull an email template into your Outlook email. So in theory, what I can do is, maybe I don't use data fields, maybe I just create the email template, all the wordings that I want here, and then I can pull them into the Outlook, into my Outlook email. But for this example here, I'm creating an email template that I actually want to use from CRM. So I just said there, first name, you are invited to attend the training webinar on the 1st of December. It's a free session, please respond if you would like to attend. Just going to go ahead here and say thank you. And I'm going to click on insert and update again, click on add. This time, instead of selecting contact, I actually want to add the user's first name and last name at the bottom here. So whoever sends this email, I want their name to appear. So I'm going to select user as my record type, and I'm going to say full name. So in other words, what the system will now do is whoever physically uses this template, it would have their name at the bottom of this email. I'm going to go ahead and hit save and close, and we've just literally created an email template. Now if I was to go to my contacts area CRM, one thing I find with emails, unfortunately you can't preview the email. So we just created the email there, you can't actually preview it. So what I recommend is sending the email to yourself. So I would create a contact, a temporary contact I should say, with your email address. Send the email to yourself. Once you've sent it and you're happy, make sure you delete that temporary contact. As you know, CRM doesn't like duplicate email addresses in the system, but it's a way of previewing the email before you send it out. Now what I can do is I can select my contacts, go to the send direct email button, and you'll notice that there's my template ready to use. So I can select my template, select who I want to send to these records to, and I could just go ahead and hit send, and it will fire out those emails. Okay, so I just quickly showed you how to create an email template in CRM 2011. Thank you.